Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Kim with Kim's Inspired Life. Guys, today I'm going to share with you my card for the Secret Valentine card swap hosted by Maria at Maria Reyes and Sue at Crafty Sue 519. So they put out the call and just said who would like to be part of our collab and swap a Valentine card with a secret partner, and of course I'm in for that because I love all things Valentine's. So guys, so what we had to do was we had to create a card and then share it today. And then at some point today, Maria or Sue will get back to us and tell us who our partner is. And then we will mail this off to our partner. And yeah, the problem is that they said we can't really include any other goodies. Well, Sue said maybe a few little if you can tuck them in your envelope, but that's so hard for me, guys, because I always want to tuck in goodies. There's about 22 people in the collab. Link everyone that is participating in the swap down below. You can go and look at all of their cards and get lots of inspiration to make some Valentine cards. Thank you, Sue, and thank you, Maria. The other people that are participating in this collab are Blanca at Pretty B30, Sheila at Country Girl First Craft, Sharon at Connection of Lives and Interest, Angelica at Crafters Treats 2017, Susan at Craft Adventures with Susan Tootsie Tucker, Tanya at Side Gig Crafts, Michelle, Ladybug Michelle B, Isabel, The Shabby Hippie, RoseMary at RoseMary's You Rock Art, Janet at Crafts and Tea with Janet K, Linnae at Fashionably 50 Something and Beyond, Sherrie at Sherrie Jones, Kelley, Kelley Crafts It All, Patti at Life with Patti, Constance, Butterfly Mom Creations and More, Stephanie, NC Mountain Mama, Charis at Charis Means Grace, Elsa, The Bargain Hunting Crafter, and Liana at It's a Deal. Oh my gosh, guys, cannot wait to see all of their videos. And then on February 14th, everyone will be uploading a video to share the card that they received. Okay, guys, let me share with you the card. So I did make an envelope for my card to go in. So, you know, because I love making envelopes. And then I just went to Pinterest. In Pinterest, I have a Valentine board. I have a card board. So I went to my Valentine board and I just found some inspiration and I just went from there. So I love this die. I bought this die last year, XOXO, and so this is a nice size die, so I thought I'm going to use this. So the card that was shared on Pinterest had the XOXO cut out of this shimmery glittered paper. So I had this in my stash, so I pulled that out, and here's the card I made. Oh my gosh, is this cute? I think it's cute. So I just went ahead and die cut out the XOXO in silver and then this hot pink color. And then I also used that hot pink color as a background. And then I just glued it onto a white background, added a couple of those little hearts there that I had in my stash. So this card is a, 5x6 card. So what I had to do was I went ahead and I die cut these first and laid them out on a piece of paper. And then I just kind of went from there to make the card. So it ended up being kind of a different shape, not 6x6, not 5x5, but anyway, so I added the white card on the inside, and then I just felt it needed a little something, and then I just saw this cute little llama right here, so I thought, yep, you're going in the card. And then on the back of the card, I went ahead and put my stamp right there, and when I find out who my partner is, then I'm going to go ahead and write a little note and stick it in here. I'm not going to write in the card, so that way they can use the card if they want to when they receive it, and then they can use the envelope as well. So there it is. All right, that's it, guys. So that's my Valentine card for our swap, and I'm excited to find out who my partner is. And I've just been crafting up a Valentine storm over here, guys. All right, have a great Friday, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.